Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my self-tanning routine. I just started self-tanning and I'm still getting the hang of it, but I think I've got it all figured out. Probably not, but we're learning as we're going. When I was younger, I used to get really tan, probably because I was outside all the time as a kid, but now I just don't go out as much because I'm homebody, but I just wanted to feel bronze lately, so I've been getting into self-tanning. So the product I want to show you today is the Bondi Sands Liquid Gold Self-Tanning Dry Oil. This is not sponsored by them. They did send me a little PR package because I expressed how much I loved it on Instagram, but this is a really good product. If you're into mousses, I mean, I've tried mousses. I just feel like they leave a really streaky color guard. And it's just, I don't know, I don't like it that much because I feel like it doesn't blend as well. But with the dry oil, you put it on, it seeps into your skin. It really feels like nothing's there. When you put it on, you probably can still feel it on your skin, but as you wait probably like 30 minutes, it'll go away and you won't feel that feeling anymore. And you can put your clothes on with this product. I've worn a white top with this and nothing has transferred onto my clothes. It's a coconut scent. So I don't know, one time I used I think it was Garnier, or not Garnier, that's a hair product. The Jergens, I don't know. But I don't know if that was it or not. But whenever I used that stuff, it was very streaky and it made me smell like syrup. Like I smelled legit like syrup. And it was so annoying. This product retails for $24. I got it at Walgreens. Walgreens does carry Bondi Sands, so it's really nice. You don't have to order it. It's already there, ready for you to put it on. They have a couple other ones in the drugstores near me, but I found this one because I really enjoy using like an oil or like a water-based one because I feel it's just like nicer on the skin. It's thinner and it just doesn't feel like you're wearing a self-tanner. Also have this little mitt. It is $6, I believe. I think so. So before I start doing any of my tanner, the day before, I will shower, shave, and exfoliate and apply a moisturizer. Where is my products? Or I will exfoliate with the, where is it? It won't come out of the package. With the Frank Body, and this is the scrub from Down Under for all over. It's the A Beauty Scrub with brightening and exfoliating with native Australian ingredients. This is the one that I use. For moisturizer, I use the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream by Sol de Janeiro. This stuff is really nice and it smells amazing and tropical and beachy and just makes me excited for summer. I'm done with all that. The next day, probably around the morning, I will go in with my tanner. I don't, people say not to put on your elbows or your knees or your hands, but what I do, because I feel like that looks even worse than having like a darker knee or a darker elbow, is sorry, I'm sitting on my legs and it's hurting. I will apply my product as usual, but I will skip all my elbows, hands, and knees. And once I'm done with the area, after I'm on my arm, I'll go in with whatever product is left and put it on my elbow, and then put it on my other elbow, and you know what I mean. I really like this product and I hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. I love you all so much. Bye guys.